lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is Shayna by TressAllure in the color Sheer Plum. So she comes out of the box looking just like this. She has this really beautiful, slightly shattered curl pattern down here. Very beautiful, open, lots of layering all throughout. Still, the effect is very subtle and feminine. Let me go ahead and show you what she looks like on. This one's very reminiscent of something like January by John Renaud or Sweet Talk by Gabor. It's not as curly as something like Ren by Estetica, which has much more layering than this. And this is what she looks like right out of the box. Let me go ahead and do 360 so you can see what Shayna looks like on all sides. And this is what that lace front looks like. Move it around a little bit so you can see the difference between that and my bio hair. She has this beautiful monofilament part. I'm gonna go ahead and take her off now so you can see what the cap construction looks like. This is a monofilament side part wig, but the side part is pretty generous, so you have a little bit of wiggle room to sort of move it over a little bit more if you like. It is gonna be on the left though, either way. Not a ton of permatease on the side opposite of that monofilament part, and it is open on top, very open on top. You can see those wefts. We've got open wefts on the side, and in the back we have an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. This wig is relatively stretchy, and I consider this true to average in fit. Beautiful wig. Definitely has quite a bit of hair on it, and definitely has a little bit of permatease up here, but not a ton. Let me mess her up a little bit. I love this chestnut color. So that's Shayna. Isn't she cute? She's very easy to wear, very easy to style. Took very little playing at all, and you saw all of it here on camera. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you find them helpful while you're searching for your hair online. And if they are helpful to you, you can find a lot more of them at our website, which is CysterWigs. Until next time, have a great night, everybody, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.